Sun is shining, birds are singing, and it's pool and barbecue season. My name is Rocío Passion and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first video of a series of videos that I will be dedicating to barbecue and specifically to Asian style barbecue. Today I'm sharing with you one of my biggest passions, and that is making homemade sausages. But not any kind of sausages. We're making Thai style curry sausages. We're making two kinds: green curry sausage with lots of herbs and spicy, and red curry sausage with kaffir lime leaves and lemongrass, also spicy, but you will be able to adjust your spiciness. Let's start right away. So stay tuned because barbecue season is here. Let's start preparing the green curry sausage. Chop a handful of mint leaves, then chop a handful of basil, and finally chop a handful of cilantro, including stems. Place 1 kilogram of minced pork meat in a bowl, that is about 2.2 pounds, and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of green curry paste, depending on how spicy you want your sausage. Also add all the chopped herbs and massage and mix until evenly distributed. Now seasoning: 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and mix again. Wrap the bowl and place it in your fridge while you prepare the red curry sausages. Remove the tough parts of the lemongrass stalk and chop it finely. This will add a lot of aroma to your sausage. You will also need 2 kaffir lime leaves, but first remove the tough stem part and chop as finely as you can. Now grab 4 small and thin green onions and chop them finely. One handful of cilantro, stems included. Place 1 kilogram of minced pork meat in a bowl. Add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Add the chopped green onion, the chopped lemongrass and kaffir lime leaves, and the cilantro. Finally, 1 to 2 tablespoons of red curry paste, depending on how spicy you want it, and mix. Add half a cup of coconut milk and mix again. Wrap it up and place it in the fridge. Sausage time. If you're using a natural casing, please clean it thoroughly with cold water and a splash of vinegar in a bowl. Rub some oil on the tube and slide one of the casings. Leave a few inches at the end. We will tie this up at the very end when the sausages are done. Place the sausage meat on the feeder and start gently pulling the casing, but not too fast to allow the meat to fill the casing properly. It doesn't have to be very tight, you can adjust later. Keep on going until you have finished the whole casing or all the meat you have. Decide how long you want your sausages and twist at every end. When you're done, it's time to tie up both ends. If there's any air in your sausages, pinch with a needle. Place them in the fridge for at least a couple of hours. Start over again to make the red curry sausage. Make sure to have some casing to tie up at the end. Now sausages without casing. Put a plastic wrap on a sushi bamboo mat. Place the meat and roll it. Wrap it up, seal the plastic ends, and shape with the mat. I like to steam my sausages a little bit in order to be able to cook them better on the barbecue. In my restaurant, we used to sous vide them, and the result was really amazing when we finally grilled them. Anyway, steam them for 4 to 6 minutes until partially firm and springy, but not fully cooked. Let them cool down and place them in the fridge. Prepare the grill, preferably charcoal, and cook over medium heat. Cook carefully, turning them until all sides are light brown. This kind of sausage will not be bursting with juice like the regular sausages. Let it cool down until room temperature and they are ready. For the sausages without casing, place them on a tray and grill them in the oven, turning them now and then until golden brown. Cut into bite-sized pieces and serve with lettuce, fresh cucumbers, lime seasoned red onion, and extra fresh cilantro. You can also serve it with the same ingredients in a hot dog bun. But for the best bun recipe, click on this card on the screen to check my latest video on hot dog buns. Thank you for watching, and I see you in my next video.